Should you use dental floss to remove your acrylic or gel or fake nails? Not if a little piece inside of me dies every time you do. I'll show you why. Let's get started. So you have some fake nails on and you want to get them off. But if they are adhered properly, there won't be an edge to get off. Some people use dental floss. They literally slide it under the nail. I have a little bit of a lifting on my pinky. I did a set of Kiss acrylic and the pinky is lifting a little bit. And I'll show you what some people do. They slide the little piece of dental floss. Now I see the theory behind it. I mean, it's kind of smart because you're trying to get a little something in there to separate your natural nail to the acrylic and slide it off, and eventually the acrylic or the fake nail will pop off. So let's see what happens here. You kind of go like this. Oh my goodness, I gotta tell you, that feels awful.
Are you gonna tear it off and hurt yourself?
I am not going to do that because I can't stand it. Now, it'll work, but you are actually damaging your natural nail. You are ripping layers of your natural nail off because in some parts of this nail, that's why it's still there, it's actually adhering to your natural nails. When you rip it off, you are literally ripping it off. Now look at the next finger. I mean, these need a fill. They're 3 weeks out. But look at the next finger. I can't slide it under there. That one's adhered actually pretty good. It's not lifting. So if I poke at it long enough, I could probably find a little lift. But what I'm doing is I'm literally ripping natural nail layers. And the reason why that is really bad is because by the time you do get them off, now your nails are going to be way less layers than you need. And they're going to be very tender. And they're not going to get back to feeling good again until it either grows out or it hardens a little from the air. But it also, if you want to put more product on, you've now compromised your natural nail bed. So these products don't ruin our nails. That's been proven. What ruins our nails is how we remove them or misuse them. And removing with dental floss is not the way to go. So skip the dental floss, but do check out my other videos on how to correctly remove your fake nails.